You mix the catalyst and make sure you get it mixed good and thorough. You really can't measure it except for if you're going to use half the pot of product, then you just kind of guess at what's about half of the catalyst. And then we're going to fill that bypass cover for a 1952 Firestone made by Scott Atwater. It's a 4-horse, but that's only because of the carburetor and maybe some tuning. But all the 3.6 Scott made Firestones from that era are going to have this bypass cover right here. Second. That one under there I'm going to take out and swap it with this one with the fitting after I put all that in there. Crazy, I can't use the light, the flash, when I got it on, when I'm zoomed out. I don't know what the difference is, but it won't let me. So I'm going to get this mixed thoroughly, and then I'm going to decorate that cake, frost it, you know. I'm going to let it set at least 24 hours. I'm going to sand it smooth, and I'm going to tap it out to 1/8 27 and put this elbow in there, and that will give me my pulse. Oh, I was showing my son which one I used today, and I took it in the other room. That'll give me the pulse so I can hook a fuel pump to this old motor. The tank's in such bad shape that it's seeping at all the studs for where it mounts.